As you get ready to come to Miami, or if you have just arrived, we would like to officially welcome you to Hospitality Academy's Miami campus. Miami is a beautiful city with people from all over the world living, studying, and working. We hope this video will teach you more about living and making the most out of the wonderful life in Miami. Here are a few things to know during your new Miami adventure. Miami is one of the wealthiest and cleanest cities in the USA. Blessed with sunshine and beautiful skyscrapers, the city is located in the tropics, so the temperature is warm and summery all year round with an average of more than 25 degrees. It's also one of the most relaxing cities, offering an incomparable healthy lifestyle with a much lower cost of living than cities like Los Angeles or New York. Not only that, it's a multicultural city with a majority of Spanish and Cuban influences, which is the perfect way to learn Spanish, as it is the second most spoken language in the world. A city with a very low unemployment rate of just 5.7% in September 2021, compared to around 9% in Los Angeles. This is certainly why the number of companies setting up in Miami is growing and why they are constantly looking for new talent in various fields. Leisure in Miami. Miami is the most popular city for spring break in the U.S. Many nice places to get away from the stress of work and study, like going for beautiful walks in cultural quarters such as Little Havana and the ART Deco District, with all the charming pastel buildings, or enjoying delightful street food, gorgeous beaches, and a very animated nightlife. Destination for lovers of art, design, food, shopping, and people thrilled by outdoor events. South Beach is world famous for its music festivals and the many parties that are organized there. But even without this, it has amazing crystal clear turquoise water and white sand beaches. Miami Seaplane Tour. If you want to have a unique experience and to see a lot of Miami, you should definitely take advantage of this opportunity. You will see a different aspect of the city touring famous spots like KEY Biscayne, Coconut Grove, and South Beach. Definitely not recommended if you are afraid of heights. Social life. The network you can build in this city is huge. As previously mentioned, Miami is a melting pot, and I can assure you that one of the best things about studying in an international city like this is that you get to meet new people who just might become your lifelong friends. In the US, this network is known as the Alumni Network, and thanks to it, whether you choose to stay in Miami or explore opportunities elsewhere, this community will always be there to support and assist you. This Alumni Association is committed to encouraging lifelong education, providing helpful quality services, programming, and assisting in the continued development and enhancement of every single student.